Hey girlies, welcome back to the channel. I am back with a fall moment that I did on myself. Now, Ali Pearl came through with this Honey Bliss color wig. It has a M-shaped hairline. It's a 13x6 frontal wig with a widow's peak. I loved that this fit really snug to my head, that I didn't really have to do too many adjustments with it. So I took away the elastic straps to each side and kind of like pulled it to its natural form so it can fit onto my head, and it fit really snug, so I was happy about that. So I do appreciate that. And then I placed my lace bond adhesive spray to my hairline to make sure that I have the most natural flawless melt to my hairline. And then I like to take my T3 curling iron just to place some heat around this area to make sure that it's going to lay as flat as possible to create the style that I want to. And then I did place their elastic band around the perimeter to make sure that this band was, or this lace was, melting ever so effortlessly. And then I did make sure to do some extra plucking around the hairline so it can allow the wig to lay as flat and look as realistic once I start creating the style, which is going to be some fluffy, big, bouncy curls into the hair. Now for the hairline, after removing the elastic band, I do like to add a little bit of serum around the hairline to make sure that I have a glossy finish and not so much of a crunchy hairspray like vibe around there. So make sure you do that. And then I'm going to take a little bit more hair away. Once I take the band off, I feel like I can see how much hair that I still need to pluck. I don't like to do too much excess plucking once the band is on, because you know you still have to remove it and it still has to look as realistic as you want it. So for these curls, I'm just curling away from my face, and then when I get towards the back sections, I do curl towards my face so I can have a rhyme and reason to these curls so they can be as bouncy and fluffy as possible. So I do appreciate that curl pattern for a side part like hairstyle on myself. But can we get into this color? The color is literally like a warm cup of hot cocoa, and I just was like, okay, that I really was not expecting it to look as good on myself, but I really did like this color on me. So I am happy that I'm able to showcase this on my channel, just in case the girls are obsessed with this, because if you see this on anybody's site, I don't care who it is, whether it's on Instagram, TikTok, you might really like gag over it and just kind of like try to figure out if this is exactly how it looks. And like I told you before, I feel like the root is a little less darker. It's a bit on the warmer side versus a darker side, and I'm not mad at it because I feel like it does blend a little bit better with the lighter tone towards the bottom half. So yeah, that's just my overall opinion, and I'm just going to start creating like a little sideburn action, just trimming that up. And then this is basically the whole side part illusion. But the quality of this hair, if I haven't said it already, it's amazing. It is a 250 density unit, you guys, and you get all of that. You can create so many different gorgeous like layered moments with this wig because the density is really full, and you can get that like cash doll illusion if that's what you're going for. But I really wanted to appreciate the curls and like the fullness of this wig without having to chop it up so much. But yeah, I really think they did a really good job with this pre-customized colored unit, and pretty much everything other than the fact that it didn't have a pre-cut to it. But if y'all know me, I love to be able to like engage into my lace and create the hairline that I dream for and I want with my wigs, and I just feel like it gives you a lot more freedom. That's pretty much what is going on in this video. I did a side part with this gorgeous Honey Bliss color, and I did add a little bit of foundation powder to the part so it can look as realistic as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unit. I will link it down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see my girlies in the next video. TTYL.
You don't have to go.